Okay, we have to make a left turn. I had a client here. She had a panic attack. It took her about 3 minutes to make a left turn. I didn't judge. I just supported her. Okay, it's clear. And it's really about relationships with people. That's why I enjoy doing this, to really help people learn how to drive. We got a green. We want to build up speed. See that beautiful sunset? You owe it to yourself. Sunrise, I should say. You owe it to yourself to learn how to drive. Bridges freeze, so we got to be careful. And this is a 2011. We don't care. You don't need to get a new 2025, Tesla, minivan that's 80,000. I'm going to take you on a smaller route. And you might even see an eagle or two. This is a really beautiful area. And I take clients here. So we're going to go ahead and make our turn. By the way, a lot of clients crash here because they go in too fast. Going easy to the turn. And if you like this type of style, let me know. I can throw in some music, throw in a little graphics. So this curve is really fun. As an instructor, I can maximize training. You can learn how to drive. It's not a boring road. This area, there was a older gentleman. I think he's deceased now. He bought all this, and I think it's worth about $25 million. He wanted like double the price, but no one would buy it because he was selfish and overpriced. Anyway, his daughter ended up inheriting all this, and she lowered the price to sell. But as you can tell, no one's building out here yet because people are greedy. Don't be greedy. This is so nice. And what I want to do this year, I have a DSLR camera. I want to just get it and do some photography, man. There's some beautiful birds out here, wildlife, and just do it. We always say stuff, and when we're too old to do it, we're like, I wish I would have. I wish I would have started a YouTube channel. I wish I would have learned how to drive. I wish I would have helped my grandson start his business, help my daughter. So we're at 40. We're a little bit fast. It's 35. Just being real with you. So we got to drop our speed down. But we don't have to worry. There's no law enforcement around. And we're not intentionally speeding. There's a difference. Okay. We have to stop here. And I say this because as a beginner, adult, you might not see this. You might see people just roll the stop sign. All right, so we got to come up and stop. But the problem is we can't see to the left. So we got to move forward and take a look. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and turn in the first lane. Like someone crashed over here, there's a front bumper over there. That's crazy. With the license plate. I'm going to take you in another loop through here. And this is where I teach adults how to get on the expressway. It's a short, easy ramp, no cars. We want to go in about 30. And going really easy. But what you will do, some adults go all the way over to the left. See what happens? I don't want to go into the ditch. At the bottom of this, I'll show you where the eagle, it's a hawk. It's a hawk, it's not an eagle. I say this too because I have a nice YouTube camera, a Sony SL3, and I just need to get a little telephoto lens. It can be a cheap one, and just take a picture of some of these birds, man. Turn on blinker, and build up speed about 60, and get out to the first lane. That's not bad. But we're gonna do this again, and it's about 24 degrees. We're going to get out to this exit. This is called a de-acceleration lane. I'm looking for the hawk. He usually is on that tree or sitting somewhere. And we're at about 50 right now. Where are you guys from? What part of the country? How old are you? Are you an adult? Are you a teen? This is for adult right now. Okay, we off the gas. We're at about 30. And we want to come up and squeeze. And we're going to pause. Now, we could turn on red, but we have to look. So I'm going to move forward. I'm going to treat it just like we're an adult. We're late. We're impatient. We got to go. Okay. Right into the first lane. We're going to do this route again. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. You should be smoother this time. Now, we have the right of way over them because we're already on the correct side of the road. I'm going to go in slow. Man, that turn was pretty good. You want to be as smooth as possible. And if I go too fast, centrifugal force will pull us on the opposite side of the road. And then, of course, the police will get us. I see cars doing like 100 down here. Don't ask me how I know. So we had a nice smooth 40. We're chilling, real easy. But the speed limit's 35. We got to back off the gas. Because we're adult, we think we're entitled. That's how you get a ticket. This coffee tastes pretty good now. You know, after 3 or 4 sips, it's like, yeah, you're ready. So as you can see, this route's really peaceful and chilled. Not a lot of traffic. Easy to develop speed control, lane positioning. It's really, really beautiful. I don't know how long this area will stay like this because of development, but it takes you back. It's so beautiful here. And you can see the sun coming out. You know, this would be a beautiful Facebook and Instagram picture. Just so beautiful.